Hello everyone, in this video we will solve an interesting Korean Math Olympiad question. Our equation is k times k times k minus k times k is equal to 48. We find out what is the value of k. So k times k times k, it will be k cube minus k square is equal to 48. If I move 48, it will left side to it will be negative 48. So I using this expression vanishing method. If k is equal to 4, here I put this value, so our expression it will be 0. So k minus 4 is equal to 0. This is our first factor. So here k minus 4 k minus 4 k minus 4 exponent is 3. So k minus 4 k minus 4, it is 3 times. So here k cube, if I multiply k square, it will be k square times k, it will be k cube. K square minus negative 4, it will be minus 4 times k square. Here if I add this line, plus 3 k square, so it will be negative k square. This line supported by previous line. So I add 3k square. I multiply here 3k. 3k and k, it will be 3k square. 3k and negative 4, it will be negative 12k. But our previous line k is absent, so I add positive k. So positive and negative k, it will be cancel out. So I multiply 12. It will be 12 times k. It will be 12k minus 48 is equal to 0. Then k minus 4, k minus 4, k minus 4. It will be common. So k square plus 3k plus 12 is equal to 0. So k minus 4 our factor. Therefore k is equal to 0. We find out k is equal to 4. This is our first answer. Here k square plus 3k plus 12 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. We know that quadratic formula k is equal to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Here b is coefficient of k. It will be 3 plus minus 3 square, it will be 9 minus 4 times a is coefficient of k, so it will be 1 times c is constant, so it will be 12, 2 times 1. Here negative 3 plus minus 9, 4 times 12, it will be 48. 2 times 1, it will be 2. Then negative 3 plus minus 9 minus 48, it will be negative 39 divided by 2. This is our complex number. Negative 3 plus minus complex number, it will be complex number, it will be I, and it will be 39 divided by 2. This is our final answer.